riding my quad up the big fill grade, dusting my teeth and a rust brown haze, out where the wedding of the rails took place. Two iron tracks and an unmarked grave. I ride the big field like I own this ground, over the bones of a long gone sound. Let the ghosts of the engines chase, riding my quad where the rails embraced. Tie plates buried under sagebrush roots,